learn video editing in less than 30 minutes. What? This is not a joke. You're going to be learning video editing in less than 30 minutes. Are you planning to become a video editor? Are you planning to start a YouTube channel? Then this is the content right for you. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's jump right into it. Oh, let's just dive right into it. Hello everyone out there, let's begin our tutorial. We're going to be using a pretty much easy video editing software, VSDC video editor. This is a complete video editing software, and the good news is it is completely free. It has a pro version to it, but the free version has literally most of what you need. You can download VSDC video editor on its website. I have a link right below in the description. This is the first thing you see when you open VSDC. We want to close that. So the first thing you need to learn about any software is its user interface. And here you see blank project. I'm going to be showing you how those work. Create slideshow, import content, video capture, and screen capture. Like the one you're seeing right now in this tutorial, I'm using screen capture. Now I'll also be showing you that upper screen, as you see: edit, view, editor, export project, tools, and activation. So now what we want to do is to create a new project. We go to blank project, click on that, give our project a title, video editing. So now resolution is also important. You want to set your resolution to HD 1280 by 720 pixels, and also you want to set your frame rate to 30 FPS. Now next thing, you want to set your background color. You can select any color of your choice from there, but I will stick to black. So you press finish. So this is the window you see, our editor window. But let me first show you how to zoom in that screen. As you see there, at the bottom right, you can zoom in. You can also move your window. You can adjust the screen the way you want it. Want to change color of the background, you can go right there. Change to a color of your choice, green. Then you want to press OK. Color changes, but I want to stick to my black. Go back, black. OK. Want to show you how to save a project. I want to show you how to save a project. You go to save project as, or you can use this right there, save project. Then you just save. But now I want to stick to this one, save project as. Click it. You select where you want to save your project. Probably I save mine in VSDC vids. The name is okay, video editing. So I just press save. The project is saved. So right now I'll be taking you to importing. You want to ensure you're on the editor screen. You go to add object. You see down here there is image, then there is audio, then there is video. You can select any of that to import such, but I want to use these tools right here. And if you move your cursor right there, you see add image, add sound, add video. So now I want to import in some videos, or you can also use drag and drop right there. You can drag your content and drop it there. So I want to import some video. So we'll go to where my videos are located. They are right here. So just click on a video, then click open. It brings that window, object position settings, maybe from scene begin, and press OK. Your video is right there. So now I want to bring in more videos. I go back to video. You can now, I want to bring all of them. I highlight all of them, press open. It brings that right there, file sequence wizard. You just want to press apply settings. Yeah, here now my videos. So now here, as you see, the video on top is the one that is appearing on the screen. You see it there, the one of the bots is the one appearing. The video on top obstructs the video down. The video down, you can't see it. It's only the video on top. So now I want to arrange my content. I want to arrange it in such a format whereby the lake appears first. If I give it a play, as you see, then the driving car, then the aerial view of the roads. But this aerial view of the roads seems too long. So now I'll be showing you how to cut video clips. So now you position where you want to cut it from, probably from around there. You want to ensure you on the editor screen. You see that split into parts tool right there. You want to press that, it will cut. As you see, it has cut. Click aside, then you click the one you want to delete and delete it. That one, you just right click for you to delete. So I arrange my videos again. As you see, that's shorter now, that's better. So now I want to add transitions. You go to video effects, add transitions. As you see, they are all not functioning. Why is that? Because I had not selected a project, a video. I mean, you select that video, you go back to video effects, transitions. You see now they are all working. Probably I use chess. Object position settings, I press to scene end. Okay. If I go back to my scene here, it brings such. You go back to my scene. If I press play, you are going to see that transition. Yeah, as you see, that chess transition right there. So now you can drag this so that it transitions into that. So if I press a play, you see it transitions right into that. I want to drag this back, double click that, then you right click to delete that transition. Delete. I want to go back to scene, select my video, go to video effects. I want to add another transition. Probably I press push transition this time to scene end. Okay, yeah, go back to scene. So if I give it a play, I'm going to see it. Yeah, that's the transition right there. Double click it. You can hold and drag to give that push transition more playing time. So now if I drag this right there so that it transitions into the next video, I'm going to see it here right there clearly. And bring this back, double click, delete that transition, right click and delete. Yeah, go back to scene. I want to show you something else that you can do to transition from video to video. Let's click that video, you go to transparency, and I'll be using a fade out. Now let's first begin with the fade in from scene beginning right there. Press OK. Yeah, so if I give it a play, you see it fades right into it. Let me give it more play time so that you can see that fade in transition well. You hold and drag. So if I give it another play, you see right there from darkness into the video right there. So now I want to give it a fade out transition again from transparency, fade out to scene end. Okay, as you see, to scene end, can drag this to give it more play time, hold drag. So if I go back to my scene, but before that, double click to go back to that thing. You can drag that position, can drag it right there to where that fade out transition begins. You go back to scene, so you can drag this video right there to where that fade out transition begins. So now if I give it a play, you see it just fades right into it perfectly. So even this one, I'm going to be giving it a fade out transition into the next video. Go back to my video effects, go to fade out to scene end. Okay, hold drag to give it more play time and position that scene. Yeah, you drag that up to that position. Good. Click that, give it a fade out to transparency, fade out to scene end. Okay, you hold this and drag. Yeah, you want to position, and that's disturbing. Use this can also position. Just click it and it positions right there. Go back to scene, drag this right there to where you want it. I think this is perfect, but let's give this a fade out transition to go to transparency, fade out to scene end. Okay, hold drag. Yeah, go back to scene. So if I give my clips a play, you're going to see it, see that transition, see it fading in again, fades in again, then you see the final fade out. Right, yeah, I think that's perfect. So if you're editing your clips, you can use such a thing. So you want to add some audio, you go to add sound, then I look for where my sound is. It's right here. choose that file from cursor position right there. Okay, let's put it from scene beginning. From scene beginning. Okay, yeah, as you see, it's from scene beginning right here, but our audio is too long. But let's first give it a play. You see right there, hearing it. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to be showing you how to cut audio. So if you want to begin this from a higher pitch, like, you can put it like right there. Now I'm going to be showing you how to cut. You go back to our cutting tool right there in the editor screen. Cutting tool, we cut it. So we click aside, then click what we want to delete, right click on it and delete it. So we want to drag this to our scene beginning. We first adjust this as this. So now I want to cut my audio since it's too long. Can adjust using those buttons right there in the timeline window, right up to where our video ends. So we go back to our cutting tool and cut right. Click aside, click that, right click and delete it. As you see, we have deleted the other unnecessary part. So if I give it a play, so now you can also cut by just holding, then dragging back to where you want it to end. Like right there, I want it to end on the first video. So now I want to import in more audio for every video. You just select randomly like that, open from cursor position. Okay, so if I give that, I want to cut that also. Probably let me cut it from around there, from where my video ends right there. Can adjust that to position it well. Go back to my cutting tool and cut it. Delete this remaining part, I don't need it. So I'm going to be bringing in audios for all of them. As you see right there, I've brought in all for all of them. If I give it a play, yeah, I think our video is done. So now what we shall be going into is how to increase volume and reduce volume of our audio. Go to properties window, then as you see here, audio volume, you can increase that. Let's increase it to 10. If we give it a play, yeah, that is too loud. We can reduce that. Just click our audio and reduce it probably to -10. So if I give it a play, so that's the way to increase and decrease volume of your audio. Now suppose our video had an audio sound attached to it. How can we remove that audio sound? As you see that video right there, we shall go back to our properties window. I drag down and you see down there where it says split video and audio, you click that and it splits. You see that new audio sound there, right there? That is the audio sound that you want to delete. Delete that. That's in case your video has an audio attached to it. So now I think that is all for the video and audio. So now I'll be showing you how to bring in texts. You can go to add object, then you go to text right there. Yeah, that's it. Shift T is a shortcut. Now it brings in that thing, but probably let me use another way. You can go back to our tools right here. You see T there, that is the text tool. Click that, you go to text. Yeah, select from cursor position maybe. Yeah, okay. So you want to click on a black window right there. Yeah, it brings that kind of thing. So we type our text, video editing. Yeah, so now we can move that to any part of the screen that you want. So now I probably want to change its font. You go there, you select any font of your choice. Probably let me select this one. It's too small, I want to increase its size probably to 120. You see that's pretty much bigger. I have a video on texts. I will be sharing that in my video description. It shows you how to make an intro using texts. Can actually help you in developing your texts. So I want to center this. You see that line there? It can help you center. Then you go to here, align to the center right there. You align it. So you can change text color to any color of your choice. Let's say red. Yeah, it's appearing everywhere. We want it just to appear at the beginning of the video. So we shall hold and drag that back to a place where I want it to end, probably around there. So if I give it a play, you see it comes right into it, comes in and goes out. So I've shown you how to type in texts into your videos. So you can add transitions to your texts. You go back to video effects, transitions, choose a transition, maybe page turn. Let's say from scene beginning. Okay. So we have given our text a transition. We'll give it a pause. Comes right into it. So you can give it more play time so that you can see it properly. You can also give it a fade out transition. Click it, go back to transitions, give it a fade transition to scene end. Okay. Can adjust that to give it more play time. Probably reduce this. If I give it a play, so I've shown you how to add texts to your video. So what you want to ensure is that all your things begin at 0 seconds right there, as you see there, so that there is no black screen playing before you export your project. So we go to export project. Come right here to change name. Yeah, so here you can select where your video will be saved. I want mine to be saved in VSDC. Yeah, you can change its name to a name that you want of your choice. VSDC Learning Tutor is okay for me. So now about the videos, the video quality. Now let's first show you here the select media device. Select, you go right there, you select any media you want to put your video. For me I use web, so I choose web. There is YouTube here, everything right there, but for me I prefer using MP4, so I click my MP4 and want maybe to change the video quality. Come right here, there is low quality, normal quality, highest quality and high quality. Probably want to use highest quality for a better picture, but for this video let me use high quality. So now go right here to export project. I click continue. It begins exporting the project, brings you to this conversion window right there. Yeah, now VSDC has that shutdown when the project is done. You can click that in case you have too much to edit and it will probably take you a longer time, so you can click that shutdown when done. Just a couple of minutes, our project is done. Conversion was completed. Yeah, it's now okay. Everything is done. So I want to show you where my project has been saved. I saved it to VSDC. As you see, it is right there. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll be dropping timely content about video editing. Probably the last advice I want to leave you guys is that you should continue practicing. Practice makes perfect, definitely. You can play around with the tools in this video editor and you will soon become a pro in no time. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.